So we're giving this image here, undergraduate grade GPA of students taking the mission test in the recent years can be approximate by a normal distribution as shown. So the mean's 3.34, standard deviation is 0.18. So I'm going to use the normal calculator in StatCrunch. You go in StatCrunch, click Stat, Calculator, Normal Calculator. You can use a table, or you could use TI 84 graphing calculator, but StatCrunch is the easiest. When I come in here, I'm going to click on the between because you're wanting part B. You said you was okay with part A, so you click on between. So I entered those two values, and we want between what two values is the middle 50%. And so I typed in 0.45, and that gives us the 50%. We're looking for these two scores here. So you click compute, and it gives you the two scores, 3.21, 8 or 9, depending on what you want round to, and 3.461. So that's part B. I guess part A, the minimum value that would still put them in top 5%. Well, you'd have to click standard and put in 5% here in the greater than. But you specifically asked for part B. Hope this helps.